Good morning. Good morning pa rin ba? Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us here today. It really is a very exciting day because meron tayong bagong technology dito na nilalaunch natin today. So, I'm really so impressed by Karafi, and I'm sure you heard everything that they talked about already earlier, and there was a lot of information given. So I just want to talk about how important it is, because water is such a basic necessity in our everyday life, and we consume it on a daily basis. So of course, we want to make sure that the quality of the water that we have every day, the water that we give our families, is at the maximum quality talaga. Like it has the most health benefits that we could possibly think of. And based on what we were discussing earlier, you can tell that there really are so many health benefits. So of course, it's better to choose the newest, the safest, purest, healthiest option that there is out there. And right now, it is Karafi. So I'm really so impressed by everything. I'm also just like you, I'm learning all about this brand today, and I'm sold.
Yes, I actually agree with Miss Colleen. So, it's always good to hear, feedback and genuine feedback, especially Miss Colleen Garcia. So, you know what? Let me invite Miss Colleen to have a product demo with me.
Okay.
So, let's do it here. Here. Product demo.
So, one thing that I really love about this, because filtered water is not new.